Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys all about the products that I'm bringing on vacation with me. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and let's just jump right into the video. So by the time you guys are watching this, I will already be there. I'm pre-filming the next 3 or 4 videos that are going to be up here. I'm going to be gone for about a month, so I didn't want to go and just like ghost on YouTube. I'm going to be completely active though on my Instagram, so if you want to check out updates and see what kind of shenanigans I'm getting into overseas, you can definitely follow me over there. And I'll still be replying to DMs and adding to my story and posting pictures and all that as normal, so you guys can still keep in contact with me over there. But over here, these videos will all be pre-filmed. So today is Friday. I'm already there. I would have just landed this morning, and I'm going to the beach. So I'm going back home to see my grandparents again, and we live on a beach there, so I'll be on the beach pretty much every day. So I wanted to show you guys the products that I'm going to be taking to keep my hair as healthy as possible. When I sat down to film this, I realized that pretty much every product I'm talking about today is what I talked about in my last video, in my summer hair care routine video. So I'm sorry that they're not different. I'm going to be going into a little bit more detail on why I'm bringing each one and like what I like about them. I'm also going to be doing a video on how I keep my hair protected from the sun, pool, and ocean. So I'll be going into a little bit more detail about how I'm going to use them in that video as well. So I'm sorry. Alright, so to jump right in, I'm going to start off with the shampoo and conditioner I'm bringing. So you guys know that I use these babies in the summer, but these are the Calia Purifying Conditioner and Shampoo for dry hair with Spanish, rosemary, and Moroccan cedarwood. I've been using these shampoo and conditioner for over a year now. My boyfriend also really likes them, and he's going with me. So we're going to be sharing our shampoo for about a month. So I chose these because I know he likes them, I like them, and a little goes such a long way. They're also purifying, and since I'm going to be in salt water every day, it's going to kind of help remove any of that extra buildup from the beach and like sweat and just like sand and stuff that gets stuck in my hair. Trust me, I get all kinds of crazy shit stuck in my hair on the beach. It's like actually super funny. So I know this will help get everything out, and I know that it will last us an entire month. I'm also going to be doing a lot of oil treatments while I'm there, so I know this will get that stuff out of my hair if I need to go out or do whatever. I'm actually really nervous for this trip because it's mine and my boyfriend's first actual vacation together. We've gone on like mini vacations before, like we went to Niagara on the Lake for our anniversary this year, and we've also been to Ottawa together for a few days. But this is the first time we're actually like traveling overseas, like airplane, passport kind of traveling, so I'm a little nervous. He's never been before. I have a bunch of times, so like I kind of know how to like navigate the airport and all that, but he doesn't, so I'm really nervous to be like dragging another passenger along with me through my like just disaster of a life. I also really like this conditioner because it's really good at helping my hair stay detangled, which is really important because when I'm on the beach all day in the ocean, my hair is just literally like a rat's nest when I come back. So having a conditioner that's really nice to detangle my hair is going to help a lot when I come out of the shower there, because usually when I get home from the beach, depending on what kind of day I had, it's like impossible to brush through my hair before I get in the shower, so I usually have to do it after and like really gently detangle while my hair is drying, which I don't like to do, but different environments call for different routines. Like I just said, my hair gets really tangly, so obviously I'm going to be bringing my Mellow detangler. This has marshmallow root extract and slippery elm extract, which are really good for kind of coating the hair and giving it that slippery feel, almost like a silicone would, but it's all natural and it won't leave buildup on your hair. So it really makes it easy for me to run a brush through, especially when I'm on the beach. I will be bringing this stuff to the beach with me every day to kind of spray in my hair before and after I go in the water. My hair will usually be in a braid on the beach anyway, which I'll get into in my next video, but if I do need to take it down for some reason, this will be there to save my life after. I really like it because it's super hydrating and leaves my hair really shiny and just extra hydrated. It also smells really good, so if I need to go somewhere straight from the beach, like if I don't have a chance to go home and shower or wash my hair first, this will kind of freshen it up so I don't smell like a washed up mermaid. I decided that instead of bringing argan oil and this, I'm just going to be bringing my rose hair elixir from the Innate Life. This stuff is a lifesaver, you guys. Like I talk about this all the freaking time. You're probably so tired of me, but I really like using this before the beach, after the shower, when my hair is wet, when my hair is dry, before I braid it, before I go to bed, on my scalp. Like this is just the all over hair fix. It has so many different oils in it. It says with over 15 organic oils. It adds shine, tames frizz. So this is kind of just all you need. Again, I'm traveling overseas, so I'm trying to bring like as little hair care stuff as possible. My dad was already like, I don't know where you think you're going, but like you can't bring your entire bedroom with you, so you need to pick like minimal products. So that's really hard for me because I literally have like a whole bookshelf behind my camera full of products that like I love using and like switching up, but essentials only. I originally wanted to bring like 4 masks with me and like a couple different containers of oils, but I feel like there's just no way that I'm gonna be able to do that. Like either my suitcase is gonna be way too heavy or I'm gonna leak everything everywhere. So I've narrowed it down to 2 masks that I'm gonna bring, and I'll explain why. First one obviously being my Herbal hair mask from the Innate Life. I like this one because it's very lightweight. It is an oil treatment. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's very liquidy, so it's not gonna be like a thick, heavy, oily mess in my hair. I can put this in my hair and double Dutch braid it or just do a single braid and literally leave it for a couple of days while I'm on the beach, and my hair won't just be like slicked back and really greasy. It's also really good for hair growth and scalp health, and I wanted to bring my scalp treatment from the Innate Life, but it's in a glass bottle and I'm really worried about it breaking. But I can still use this for the inversion method. It still has amazing oils that are really good for my scalp. And again, it's really lightweight, so even if it is on my scalp, it's not going to be as noticeable. I did want to bring a really thick mask though that I can put on when I'm at the beach or when I really need like a deep, intense treatment. And again, I don't want to be bringing like little containers of coconut oil and shea butter and castor oil and all these kinds of oils, and I don't want to have to go there and like buy everything new and then just leave it there because it's going to be all full. Like I'll barely get through it. So I'm bringing my Mellow Out mask from Beach Cosmetics. I love this mask. It smells amazing. It smells just like the detangler, like marshmallows and cupcakes. But as you can see, like it's a really thick oil mask. It's whipped, so once you kind of rub it in between your fingers, it will melt down. I'm pretty sure there's shea butter in this. I will leave like a list of some of the ingredients that are in here like on the screen somewhere. But yeah, I will be putting this in my hair at least once or twice a week before I go to the beach, and just leaving it for a day or two just to really soak into my hair. Finally, the last product I'm going to be bringing that's actually for my hair is going to be rose water. So it's just plain basic rose water. This one I got at Healthy Planet. The only ingredient in here is rose water. So what I like to do with this is I'll put it in a little spray bottle. I have to go get those still. But I'm going to put it, sorry, I just like really like the smell of it. And I like to use this as like a refresher throughout the day, just to really boost hydration and kind of cleanse. Like if I'm feeling really greasy, I like to spray this on my scalp and throughout my ends because rose water is so hydrating. It's also so good for your hair and scalp. Your scalp can get sunburnt as well, so I'm going to be getting into how to protect your scalp from the sun other than wearing a hat like in my next video. But rose water is really going to help soothe it if I do have that happen, and it's going to really help to tame any frizzy flyaways while I'm on the beach or just while I'm traveling around. I am planning on traveling around a little while I'm there too, like not just being on the beach, so bringing a little spray bottle of this, I can use it on my face to refresh and on my hair to kind of help keep everything nice and hydrated and shiny. This is a lifesaver. If you're going to be at the pool or beach all day, definitely think about bringing some rose water. Now I'm going to get into the 2 brushes that I'm going to be bringing. Obviously, I'm going to be bringing my Tech brush. I love this brush. This is just the oval brush with regular pins. I don't have the one with really long pins because my hair is not that thick. But if you have really thick or coarse hair, definitely get the one with long pins. It'll probably do a lot better for you on your scalp as well. I'm only going to be bringing this one. I have a smaller one that you would have seen in my last video that I use for like traveling. I keep it in my purse. But again, I'm only going to be bringing this one. I think my boyfriend might be bringing his, but if he does it, we use the same brush anyways. So we'll just be sharing this one probably. And I'm also going to be bringing a wide tooth comb. You guys know I don't like to brush my hair when it's wet, but when I'm on the beach, sometimes I do need to detangle before I go home. And I'm going to be getting into this again in my next video on how to protect your hair at the beach and stuff. But while I'm there, I like to use the beach showers while I apply like a leave-in mask or a deep conditioner before I go home and shower. And this is really good for helping to distribute it because it's so gentle. As you can see, it just kind of goes right through my hair and it doesn't pull or tug. And I just think these are really helpful. These are also great if you have curlier hair or denser hair and you need to detangle in the shower. These are really good. I think I got this at Walmart. I'll try to find a link to it. But you can literally get them anywhere. I'll probably just link it from Amazon, but literally any grocery store you go to or a beauty supply store, just check in. I'm sure you can find a wide tooth comb anywhere. That is about it. That's all I'm bringing with me hair care wise. Makeup wise, I'm literally not bringing anything other than mascara and highlight. while I'm there, I really don't like to wear foundation. Number one, because I get really tan really quick, so nothing I have will match me anyways. And number two, I'm gonna be outside, and the air there is just so nice from the beach and from the ocean, so I really just want to give my skin the chance to breathe. And that's all I'm going to be bringing with me, you guys. The rest will just be clothes and some packages for my cousin, because you know, you have to hook her up. I'm going to leave her Instagram down below. She also does hair care and natural remedies, and she's a total babe, so you should definitely follow her. I'll leave her information down below. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. I love you. Bye!